Do you know Imago Collab integrates seamlessly with Google services? Yes, you heard that right. Imago Collab is not just an online whiteboard, it's your direct ticket to a new era of streamlined teamwork. Imago Collab, integrated with Google Search, makes accessing information easy. All you need to do is type your query directly on Collab and watch your query come to life. From articles to images, videos to web pages, Imago Collab brings the world's knowledge directly to your fingertips. Google Drive on Imago Collab makes sharing files simple and instant accessibility to you and your team. All you need to do is upload your files directly onto the whiteboard, and just like that, your files are there. Want to jump into a live collaboration? It's easy. You can join Google Meet directly from Imago Collab. All you need to do is select the live collaboration icon and hit Start to launch a session. You can also spread the excitement and share that unique link via email. And for those ready to jump right in, simply click on the Google Meet link. No waiting, no fuss, just instant collaboration. Here's how you can save your collaborative work. Click your profile icon and select Save To. Choose the format you need, then select Google Drive for easy cloud storage or Google Classroom to submit directly to your course. Remember, saving your session lets you pick up right where you left off and ensures your brilliant ideas are safe and sound.